How do you sell a home that needs work? Hi, I'm Eric Lowry with the Lowry Team and eXp Realty, and so I get this question a fair amount. How do you sell a home that needs quite a bit of work? And the answer really is there's three options. The first option is just go the route of getting a cash offer. Sell your home to someone who's an investor or someone looking to flip properties, an investment type kind of situation. You're going to get a cash offer that will save you from having to go through showings, having to go through making repairs, all those types of things, all the inconveniences of if you will, of selling a home. It's the fastest, quickest way. It won't necessarily yield the most money, but it does provide a level of convenience, and especially when you have a home that needs a lot of work that you may not want to do or may not have the ability to do, getting a cash offer can be an excellent way to go. So that's option number one. Option number two, when you have a home that needs a lot of work, is go to the regular market with it. Don't do the cash offer route, but go to market in a more traditional sense, if you will, but pricing it appropriately for the condition it's in. This won't necessarily yield top dollar either, but it will generally offer an opportunity to make more money than going the cash offer route. Not always the case, nothing's absolute, but it can give you the opportunity where you put it on the market, you're selling it as is, you're not going to make repairs and that sort of thing, but you've priced it accordingly. Think lower price. The third way, make the repairs, fix it up, get the work done, get the new carpet, the new paint, the new kitchen countertops, whatever it might be, and then go to market once all that work is done, going to yield a much higher price. It's almost like you're flipping the home yourself a little bit. Not quite to that extent, but you're putting the money and the work into it to raise the value. That's a way many people go as well, and it can yield a much higher sales price, of course, depending on market conditions in the area of the home and that sort of thing. So there are really three options. If you want to know more about the cash offer situation, reach out, let me know. I'm happy to walk through what that might look like for you. If you're thinking, well, I do want to sell it, Eric, and I want more than probably the cash offer is going to provide me, but I don't want to do any work, well then option number two is for you. Let's figure out the right price based on the condition the home is in, get it on the market, get it sold. And many times you can create bidding wars there because the home can seem like a good deal to some folks, including investors. Option number three is the most work, but it yields the highest sales price most generally. How do you know what work needs to be done and what will yield the most return for your money spent? The easiest way for us to decide that, let's set up a time to talk. I'll come see your home, do a walkthrough with you. We'll talk about the things that need to be done. And frankly, sometimes there are things that we discover, that we talk about, that don't need to be done. Things you might have thought you needed to do, but you really don't. Thus, we might be able to save you some money with some of that work as well. So either way, whichever option you think is for you, please reach out. Let me know how I can assist. Otherwise, I'll talk to you very soon.